right, welcome back to the channel. So what am I up to today? Well, I got you guys on a similar angle like it was the last time in my last video. We are going to be hooking up the laptop, which is to the right here, over here on the passenger seat. Obviously I got the wire hooked up through the integrated engineering setup, and we're going to do some data logging. What we're going to get first is we're going to roll with a stock TCU tune and the APR stage 2 dual pulley tune. I'm going to data log that, then upload the ZF8 tune, as well as, wait for it, that's right, a beta CREC integrated engineering tune. So super excited to try it out. I don't know if you guys remember my last video. I told you that I got an email. So the lovely people over at Integrated Engineering reached out to me and said, hey, would you be interested still in our CREC beta tune? I was like, yeah, absolutely. Even though I have the APR dual pulley setup, supercharger as well as the crank pulley, they went ahead and sent me over a file. I guess we'll give it a try and roll with it from there. But yeah, stay tuned for our test with stock TCU as well as the APR stage 2. I'm gonna data log that, then we'll data log the ZF8 tune with the beta. So hang tight. Alright, let's push start, the data log. Okay. Sport mode. Kind of brake torque it. Traction controls off. So 60 pull. Time to flash the TCU as well as the beta CREC from Integrated Engineering on the A6. Let me just show you guys what I got going on here. So my last video, obviously I had it hooked up to the battery in the back, and I was thinking to myself, I was like, why would I do that when I could just do this? Also, we just did a couple runs right now. Fairly hot. I mean, it's 90 degrees outside. What's nice is the fans stay running, so hopefully we didn't heat soak it too much. But let's take a look. Let's get this. Let's get the tunes uploaded here. Just to show you my little camera setup. This is what I'm rolling with right now, just to give you guys that angle. So what do we got? Yes, identify car. Let's turn it on to accessories. I think that's what I did the last time. I remember I had an issue with this the last time, so we'll do next. Plug in blah blah blah. Next, turn ignition on. Next, it is getting my information. Curious to see how this works, because one of the guys over at Integrated Engineering said he had uploaded a beta file which I'm assuming is directly to my PowerLink cable serial number. So it should automatically detect it. It is a 91 octane beta file. As of right now, it's a dual pulley setup until he runs a log and he messes with the timing from that point. So we'll do next. Here we go. Here we go. There's two things on here. Never had that before. It's hard to see, but engine and transmission. What do we got? Oh, look at that. CREC beta. Oh, that makes me so happy. Wait for it. Oh, what do we got? Oh my gosh. We got a 7,200 RPM shifts. Holy cow. We're gonna blow my car up, you guys. Oh boy. Alright, let me get this going. Let me upload both of these. And hang tight. Okay, so we do have different options here. We have street, aggressive, and race for the transmission. Not sure what to try. You know, I just want to go with aggressive. I know it's all dependent on what tires you have and how you drive the car. I mean, this is a daily car. I could always switch it later, which is nice because it's like you purchase one and you could always swap between both of all of them, honestly. So if we go with aggressive, I'm curious to. I'm kind of worried that might be a bit too aggressive, but we're gonna full sender. Why not? Little updates. We are doing the ZF8 tune first. The beta tune, for some reason it kept saying that I was having an internet connection problem. So very odd, very weird. So we'll do the trans tune. As you guys see, it's uploading. It's pretty quick. So I'll keep you guys posted with that. Okay, so sport mode, traction control off. Oh man, this is gonna be interesting. Woo hoo hoo. Holy shit. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay. Put the car in park. Wow. Okay, you guys. Oh my god. What an insane difference. My tire squealed. Oh boy. Okay. This is gonna conclude the video of the ZF8 tune, stock versus integrated engineering, new tune that they just came out with for the ZF8. It definitely is a huge difference. Hopefully you could catch it all on video. I mean, it's hard to tell, but Jesus. Woo. That extra, oh man. It's a great feeling. But you guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video once the engine tune starts to work. That is the beta CREC from Integrated Engineering. Thank you guys for watching once more. I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.